Welcome to Louisville Water Tower Park and our new series, Louisville WaterWorks. Each time we meet, we'll share a short video lesson, and then you'll get a chance to do an at-home challenge. We use water lots of ways every day. One of the most important is by washing our hands. It's one of the simplest ways to help fight the spread of germs, and it's more important than ever right now. Watch this cool new video that we've created with Tapper to help you remember how to do it correctly.
Hand washing, germ stopping. Hand washing, germ stopping. Lather your hands from front to back with soap and warm water straight from the tap. Scrub, 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 get disinfected. How long does it take?
20 seconds.
Washing your hands is the thing to do now. Go tell a friend and let me show you how. Hand washing, germ stopping. Hand washing, germ stopping. Hand washing, germ stopping. Yeah, hand washing, germ stopping.
Look who's here, everybody. It's Tapper to share some great hand washing tips with us. But one really important thing to remember is when you sneeze and cough, Tapper, what should you use to cover it? That's right, your elbow. Every time you sneeze and cough, make sure you cover it with your elbow. Now, here are your tips. Wash your hands. Wash with soap and water. How long should you wash? Wash for 20 seconds. Wash if you cough or sneeze on your hands. Wash after you use the bathroom. Wash before you eat. And don't forget to wash all the parts of your hands. Your palms, rub them together like that. In between your fingers like this. Your fingernails. Your thumbs. And then the backs of your hands. Tapper, what tools do we need to wash hands? We need soap, a towel, and most importantly, water. And now, your challenge.
Your challenge for today is to see how germs spread from one person to another. You can't see germs with your eyes. If you could, a flu germ would look like this, and a cold germ would look like this. Today in our experiment, we're going to use cornstarch to represent the germs. The other things you're going to need are a remote, maybe a water bottle, a pencil, things that you would touch a lot around the house. The first step is to put a little bit of cornstarch or your germ material onto your hands. Not too much like I just did. I'm gonna put a little bit back. You can kind of spread your hands around like you just sneezed. Achoo! See how it gets everywhere? And maybe touch your remote. You touch that a lot. Water bottles, pencils. Now set your stuff back down and look. Look how many germs I have on my pencil just from touching it for a few seconds. And my remotes? Now go to somebody that lives with you and touch them on the shoulder. What happens? Can somebody else pick up one of the things that you touched? What happens when they touch the remote or the water bottle? Now your last step before this is all over is to wash your hands really well and then disinfect everything that you just touched. Don't forget to share your results with us using the hashtag Louisville WaterWorks. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.